Whoa! Hi everyone! Welcome to Kestrel's Corner. My name is Kestrel, and this is my...
Lola. I'm her friend, confidant, mentor, protege, and sidekick. Lola.
Welcome to
Kestrel's
Corner!
Oh, wow.
Kestrel's Corner is a place where all of us can come together to use our imaginations, go on adventures, play games, ask questions, and learn from expert guests who come on our show to teach us about everything to do with, well, you, me, and the world we live in.
We learn so many cool things and have so much fun at the same time. Kestrel is very good at it, and I'm a big help too.
You are a big help too. I couldn't do it without you.
Ah, you didn't have to say that.
Yes, I did. It's in the script.
We banter. We're pretty much the latest and the greatest of all the kids' talk shows.
A lot of our expert guests are close personal friends of ours who will help us with anything from learning about the science of bubbles to why it's important to wash our hands to... Cousin Lionel? What are you doing back there?
Oh, hey, Kestrel. Yeah, I'm just trying to find a place to put this plant.
Oh, okay. Well, you can probably just set it down right over... Oh. Great. Perfect. As I was saying... Hey! You almost done, Kestrel? I really want to go play outside with you and Lola. Aw, man. We're right in the middle of it, Speedy Sally. Okay, no worries. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go to the park. Anywho... Oh. Hello, Dr. David.
Yes, Kestrel, we're out of hand soap.
There should be an extra bottle under the sink.
I didn't see any.
Okay, I'll go look. You okay to hold down the fort, Lola?
Oh, yeah. We can't wait to see you next time. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to Kestrel's Corner, like the videos, and share them with a friend, family member, classmate, or anyone else you think might like them too. Oh, yeah, and before you go, Kestrel always says to be kind to one another, try new things, and make good choices.
That's right, Lola. I do always say that. We can't wait to see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!